Xiaomi TV is here! Check out my new Xiaomi TV 4S. This is the official English global set in Singapore. So it is all in English. You have YouTube, you have Google Play apps, you have YouTube Kids, you have Prime Video, and even on the remote there's like Netflix. So one thing I like is that my Netflix is finally in 4K, because my old TV was in 1080p, not 1080p, 4K ready but not 4K. Okay, we have 3 different robots here. The first is the Vacuum Mop Essential, which is suitable for small spaces. And off the box, it looks like a really nice white matte finish. And it comes with 2 cleaning wheels, 1 mop pad. Inside the robot, there is a 2-in-1 dust compartment, and then you have the water tank here as well. So water goes in here and the dust goes in here. And because this is like the most basic set, it has a charging dock, charging cable, and a cleaning brush, which is quite standard. It has the cutting blade here for removing hair out of the brush, and the bristles here for cleaning the vacuum. Okay, for the second robot here, this is the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop. If you live with a 2-beta, 3-beta, this is sufficient for you. Right out of the box, it looks super nice, glossy white. I haven't used any of this yet. And I flip it around. There is 1 cleaning wheel, 1 mop pad and tank. The water goes in here. And of course they have a dust compartment. I think it's suitable for sufficient for 1 to 2 weeks. Accessories wise, it's the same as the first. Cleaning brush, charging cable, charging dock. And between the first and the second model that I just shown you, this costs a little bit more because you're paying for this visual sensor, which is more accurate for mapping like a bigger room. Okay, if you live in a really big house, 4-room, 5-room, only for single story, this robot is for you. It's using the LiDAR scanner. It's basically like laser technology. So it's more accurate for mapping like your house. And it has this 2-in-1 tank. So vacuum and mopping, this is where your water goes in. They have a cleaning brush here. And the mop pad. So there is a wheel here that you can attach. Oops. Anyway, came with 1 extra wheel. So 1 extra mop pad, the standard charging cable, charging dock, and 1 extra dust compartment. So if you don't intend to mop and vacuum at the same time, you can use this instead, just for vacuuming. So price wise, this is the most expensive compared to the last 2 model, which is in the 300 range. This is in the 500 range. So I will be doing a test, running this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. And you must be thinking, what about Friday? Friday I'm going to use this Roidmi cordless vacuum cleaner in the morning. This is the Z1 Air version. It looks a bit like F8E, remember? The one that I reviewed earlier on. So the color scheme is a bit similar, but the shape definitely changed a lot. Wow. Let me show you. Interesting. So we're gonna attach it and try. So the thing about this is that I think you can empty the bin here. See? So if you live in a big house and your bin is like right outside of your home, then I don't mind doing this. But if you live in your house and the bin is in your house, I wouldn't do that because dust would be flying everywhere. So what else do we have here? We have this crevice tool, which is for tight spaces. And we have a wall mount. This thing is not a charging mount. So basically this thing is to hold it onto the wall. I don't know is it me or not, but I do feel like there's like a little bit of magnetic. Okay, not sure. As for Friday afternoon, I'll be using this. The Roidmi Z1, which is more expensive version of the Z1 Air. You just put everything together. Okay. Oh, it has a mop pad. It also came with like floor cleaning wet wipes. The same mount that you can put on your walls. A mattress brush. Charger, the same crevice tool. But this has a different attachment, which I think they did improve it a lot. Because previously they provided a different brush. I think that's the pet brush that's not included. Extension hose not included as well. But this thing, if you use this, it doesn't get much dust in because this surface area is too big. But if you have this little brush, it really helps to get the dust in. Like you really have to trust me on this. And there is an essential soap, which I don't know why they provided that. And yeah, that's about it. Anyway, I'm gonna test it out and I will review it in a separate video. So if you're interested, remember to check back and I will see you in the next video. Bye!